Here's an interesting physics experiment. This is just a regular bath full of water. There's a disc caddy, and on it, the disc caddy is floating on a frictionless surface, which is just water. This is neodymium magnets. They're just attached with paper, sticky back paper, and I'm going to show you something you can do yourself and play with and maybe help you understand magnetism. So here's another neodymium set of magnets. Keep them away from my camera. There's like 4 of them, and if you do this, you can make the whole apparatus move. Now you can see all I'm doing there is moving this towards this, and it moves that way. The base of the magnet here is attracted to the front part of the magnet there, so they're like opposite poles, and therefore if I reverse this and bring it the other way, you see I move it the other way. Now it looks as if I'm getting free energy here. It looks, you might be thinking, wow, he's not doing anything, it's moving of its own volition, right? So let's test out that theory, whether if you just pop this here, will it just move? So I switch it around, it looks like I'm not putting any work in. Yeah, it's just moving, moving. It looks like I'm doing no work, okay? Okay? Now, create a little spout out of paper. Paper spout. Nothing special. Made of paper. Pop it on here. Pop it on here. Take my time. Pop the spout on. Okay. Then I take the magnet. So before I put it on, what's going to happen? Anyone know? Okay. Is it going to move? Am I going to get free energy? Let's just try it. And what you see is nothing. Absolutely nothing. So what's the difference? What's the difference between me moving it with my hand with it and that lying there? The answer is that magnetism, or the magnetic fields, produce movement when you move in and out. The magnet has to be moving. This magnet has to move against this magnet in order to produce the force, and this is one of those Faraday's laws. Okay, but it's an interesting experiment. You could try it yourself for a bit of fun. If I take this off, take off the spout, it's just paper. I go back, I move it on, and we're off again. We're off again. And you see there are tiny, my hand is doing tiny fluctuations, trying to keep up with this object. I switch it around the other way, and it moves the other way. You can build this yourself. It's real easy. Just play with it. Maybe you have a refinement you'd like to try with it. There you go. That's it. This is a CD caddy. This is like a CD caddy that you get to hold your CDs. These are neodymium magnets. That's all you need. Nothing special here. It's a bit of physics, and that's obviously just a regular bathtub with just a bit of water in it. Regular tap water. There we go.